Oh, God. There's a sound. I don't know why. Every morning this happens to me. It's so embarrassing. All right, so there we go. Sound's up. Scanner's up. These are stocks that we're keeping an eye on this morning. And what we're watching right now. I've just been kind of going through here, taking a look at what's hot, what's not. I ended up getting screwed already this morning. It's great to start the day with just a bad trade. Bad trade. And we'll talk about that here in a second. But let's take a look. Just talk about what's going on in terms of stocks that are gapping up. We'll go through the list here, take a look, try to find a game plan, try to get a game plan going here. Let's do it. Let's do it. All right, so you can see here VSell. VSell is the number one gapper so far this morning. Doing a little trickiness. Up there to $14.75, kind of holding that $14 now. It's a little bit larger float. Only 28,000 shares traded, so definitely going to get some more volume on it. Also, we got RGLS was the second gainer of the day. Kind of popping up there, pulling back down there to 220s now. It's got some support there. Kind of the 212s on the daily chart, and then it's got some resistance coming up there at the $3. So that's kind of what's going on with that stock. Only 300,000 shares traded, so a little bit more action there, but just not enough to get going, really. Other than that, what else we got? So we got ELF was another one on top of that. Up there, 13.15 right now on ELF. If someone joined, how often do you do this for members weekly? We're gonna start doing it once a week. In terms of this is more so, we're gonna be doing like some after hours, talking about stuff, going over questions, answering questions, and all that. Trying to keep these live streams in the morning open for really everybody. We got GOGO. I tried to make a trade on this one. Ended up just getting out for break even on that one. Kind of just not any volume there either. It had earnings report or earnings news. And this is the one that got me. SRNE this morning. You can see I'm showing you guys my losses, showing you guys my winners. I ended up losing $697 there on SRNE. It could have been a lot worse, honestly. It could have been a lot worse. I don't know what I was doing this morning. It popped up there above $4, up there to $4.25. And it looked like it, had some potential. It had some volume increasing. It wanted to go high. It wanted to go higher. I jumped in there at that $4 and was looking for that move up there. Back up there to the $4.25 or possibly higher, but just the volume died. And I ended up getting slammed down, and I ended up getting out there at $3.80. So, tricky one. So, NIO, this is another crazy stock. We've traded this one before. It's up there to $7.50 this morning, gapping up 9% so far. It's got 4 million shares traded so far today, so a lot of volume, but just not really doing much in terms of, going higher there. It's at 755 is a pre-market high right now, and then it's pulling back down there, 720. So we'll see. Somebody's talking about that 720 support area. You got that little kind of 720 support area there. This stock, I've seen this stock do kind of crazy things, pull back, go higher, pull back, just kind of all over the place sometimes. It's an interesting one, no doubt about it. Definitely does some weird things. You can see that big, massive seller sitting there at 748 right there. Looking really interesting. ONCS this morning. This is probably the one stock that I'm most upset about this morning. I was trying to go short here at the $1.20 area on ONCS. Just could not get filled. And you can see now it's down there to 70 cents. So that's frustrating. Definitely frustrating that the one stock that I missed out on, or just didn't get my entry on, ended up just getting hammered down there to 70 cents. So that would have been almost 30-40% gain on that trade. Just was one of those things. Also was keeping an eye this morning on G-Sky. Kind of blew it here as well. G-Sky this morning was at that $12 area, and I was hoping to see if we could push back up there a little bit more and, get up there to the 1250s, kind of that 1245 area. We ended up having a little bit of a spike there, And look at it now, down there to 1080. So, tricky, you know? Tricky. It's one of those days where, you know, I took the trade on SRNE and ended up missing out on the 2 trades that would have been, you know, the big movers of the day. So, well, the big gainers for me. You can see here, these are those stocks that are gapping up this morning. Right there, a little bit of gap in action. You got CVON kind of just popping up there out of nowhere. Let's check out CVON here. Just a big gap in the chart right now up there at 1245. Must be a buyout or something. What's the news there on CVON? I can't even find the stock. No, the members only stream will be on Wednesday. Wednesday. But you can see the stocks that are gapping up this morning. Like I said, CVON popping up there. Trying to figure out what the news is there. You can see gapping up from 940 this morning. It's that there at 1245. It must be some type of buyout or something. Because you can see just all the buyers stacking up there at 1240 area. So I'm thinking that this is some kind of buyout or something going on there with that stock. There we go. Yeah, getting acquired. V-Cell kind of bouncing around there. Kind of bouncing that $14 area. Seeing kind of what's going on there. Somebody's calling out G-Sky in the chat. Where did that go? There it is. G-Sky down there to $11 this morning. He's down 23%. Let's see if this will bounce around here. Make something happen. NIO there at the 720s. Bouncing around right here at 720. See if it pulls back down a little bit lower. Touch right down to that 720 area. Be nice. What's going on? Pembroke Pines in the house. Not far away. We're so close, but yet so far. So NIO down to that 720 area. Let's see if we're going to get a bounce there. 720s. What's going on? Motoring Tactical. What's good? What's good? Trying to be greedy here with my entry. See if I can get in here. Kind of on this. Oh, getting some buyers stepping up there. 720s, pushing it higher now. 725. I was hoping we could get that little bit of a kind of washout, maybe down in the 715s, kind of bounce right back up there to 720. Let's see if we get it here in a minute. But taking a look back through here. SRNE has good news this morning. Really thought this one had potential. I thought this was going to be the big mover of the day. And I just ended up getting out for a loss there. Just not happening. Not happening for me. Taking the L. Taking the L in the morning. Always painful. Starting the day out with an L. It should be pretty... I'm streaming. I got it all set up on YouTube with like the most real-time options. So trying to get you guys the most real-time experience here. MNGA. People are always wanting me to look at this stock. I don't know why. Let's get really, really excited about this one, but you can see kind of just all over the place. Penny stockers. Not something I normally trade, so I'm not going to worry about it. NIO. Plantation in the house. Oh, man. Getting closer. We got guys in Pembroke Pines. You got guys in Plantation. Interesting. Neo kind of bouncing around here. Trying to do something there. Boca Raton. It's funny how many people live in South Florida. I wonder why that is. South Florida. Everyone wants to live in South Boynton Beach. Wow. Miramar. Florida is hot. Kauai, there you go. I like Kauai. Homestead, I'm going down to the Keys on Friday, actually. I'm actually not going to be streaming on Friday. Sorry to tell you guys, I'm going to be fishing in a sailfish tournament. We got to do some practice fishing on Friday. Pretty serious sailfishing tournament. So we got some practice fishing on Friday. And gotta get that practice in, baby. So you can see the stocks that are gapping up there this morning. Sailfish, not a sailboat. NIO kind of bouncing around the 720 area. Let's see what's going to happen here. If it can get going or not. Can it get going? It's looking like there's just more. Look like there's some serious selling pressure there on NIO right now. I mean, this thing's got 5 million shares traded so far this morning pre-market. 5 million shares traded pre-market is definitely a lot of volume to see pre-market at least. RGLS this morning spiking up there towards 265, pulling back down to 220 now. A couple of stocks kind of bouncing this morning, early and then just kind of fizzling off there and not really doing much after that. I think this morning was definitely the morning. This was a good morning to go short on some stocks like G-Sky. Was looking to go short here at the $12 area. You can see now it's down there to 1080. It's painful. It's painful to see. Definitely painful to watch and see and all that. So there it is. Also, we had ONCS this morning. Big old gap down there to 70 cents. Big, huge gap down. And definitely was a wild one. I was sitting there trying to get short there at $1.20 and just not really doing it. TOPS. Let's take a look at it. TOPS, shipping stocks. Not really, not a huge fan of these shipping stocks. They're just, at the end of the day, it's just more so just thing about like just shorts. It's more so like, it's hard to explain, like a short squeeze more than anything. These shipping stocks, they get in, people start trading them, they get shorted, they get squeezed, and it's just like this battle of shorts versus bears and, bears versus bulls. So definitely not a big fan of these shipping stocks in general. This is in terms of trading wise. There's just a lot of just bad stuff going on with the shipping stocks. And yeah, somebody asked if I trade. I'm down on the day, $697, baby. I'm not afraid to show it. I'm not afraid to show my losses. This morning, SRNE was trying to get something happening there. I thought SRNE this morning had a big spike up there from 340, got there to 420. Breaking through that resistance there, that $4 resistance. I was like, ooh, okay, it's looking good. It's looking good. So I was looking for that move and just didn't get it. Ended up just kind of getting out of it there. I was down at one point. I was down, I think, like $1,500. So once I got back to like 600, I was like, okay, I can maybe sit here and, I could wait. I could hope and pray, or I can just take the L. I can take the L there and, wait for another opportunity. So that's what I did. Ended up just taking the L. Sometimes you just got to take the loss. Trust me, it hurts. It's painful, but you just got to do it sometimes. You got to take it, take the loss. Take it like a man. Take it like a man, baby. So you bought into resistance. No, I didn't buy into resistance. Andrew Archer. Gosh. It broke above $4. It pulled back to the EMAs. It had a bunch of buyers sitting there. It was pushing and just was looking to buy. I couldn't get filled at $3.95, so I ended up getting filled there at $4. So, yeah, you can call it whatever it is. It is what it is kind of thing. Looking at this chart, if you removed all this right here, if you removed like all of that, you look at this like, okay, we got a nice little bounce, 425. It pulls back to the $4 area. You got that 395 support sitting there. It had potential. I was in the green. I was in the green for a minute, and then bam, just got smacked. So that's what happens pre-market, low volume. Yeah, it's my fault. My fault. No one to blame but myself. Do something stupid, you get stupid results. And that's what happened. NIO bouncing around that 720 area. Still interesting to see that this thing's got 5 million shares traded, and it's it's only kind of just been stuck in this range there. So I don't know. We'll see what happens here at open. Over 755, over that pre-market high could be fun. Got the pre-market high there, 750. So we'll see if that can do something at open there. But definitely, a little bit larger float, and it can be hard to trade sometimes. Even when a stock like this is, got action, it's moving, it's doing stuff. It can be a difficult stock to trade sometimes. ASNS up there, $1.59 now. It's got 5,000 shares traded. Might just keep an eye on it, but definitely not enough action really to do much yet. So there's G-Sky down there at 1065 now. That's painful. Painful to see. Painful. Clint Lewin, I see you. RKDA. Got 2,000 shares traded popping up there. Not enough volume yet. It's up 13%. We'll see if it can get going here. So we get some more volume and open. Carlos in the house. Good morning. This stock here, ELF, just kind of doing some stuff, bouncing around. Only 95,000 shares traded. So really right now it looks like RGLS and NEO having the most volume, but RGLS you can see just getting slammed back down there. Getting slammed back down. Regina. I don't know if Canada will let me get in. I might be banned from Canada. My mic's not working? It should be working. Might be a ban at the border. And yeah, take a look at the gapper list this morning. These are stocks that are gapping up. Pre-market stocks that are hot. What did I do to Canada? I didn't do anything to Canada, but I got some things in the past that I'm not proud of. I got a felony charge for. This is the best story. I got a felony charge for stealing my own truck. I got basically grand theft auto for stealing my own truck. My truck got towed, and then I stole my truck back from the tow company. I basically went to the tow yard, just got in the truck and left, and they called it grand theft auto. So that's pretty funny, actually. It was actually really funny going to jail. I went to jail for about 8 hours. So that was pretty funny. All for stealing my own truck. Painful. I'm probably the only person in the world who's ever gotten grand theft auto for stealing their own truck. Oh, it's funny. I gotta be one of the only people in the world with a felony charge for stealing his own personal car. I own the truck too. That's the best part. It was my truck. I didn't even have it financed. I had it paid off cash. My truck. They basically towed it from. I lived in a neighborhood that was has a community. It's like a community area, and then I parked my truck. Basically, they said I parked it in an area that I wasn't allowed to park it in. And, so they ended up towing it. And I went to the tow yard and told them I wasn't going to pay, and I just got in the truck and left. So it's kind of funny. Funny story. Yeah, it ended up being I ended up getting just trespassing. After I had to pay a bunch of money and get it all expunged and do all that stuff, and I actually had to do 40 hours of community service. 40 hours of community service. That was some funny stuff. All right, NIO kind of bouncing around that 730 area. 730 area kind of bounced around. NIO. Let's see if this can do something. I'm not really excited about NIO. Just telling you guys now. Just personally, I'm not really excited. This stock here, GOGO, up there to 665, down there to 640. Trading with felons. Oh, God. Oh, gosh. SRNE. There it is. Oh, gosh. Back to my entry point. My original entry point there at the $4. It would have been one. It's probably... I should have just held on to it. Probably should have just let this one go. But I just had to cut it off. I had to cut it. And look at it now. Back up there. Back up there. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. No hoping, no praying. We'll see. I think if SRNE can get above that $4, I think we get above $4, we could get something going on there at the SNE. So that's I'm gonna be keeping an eye on $4 area. See if we can get that pop over 4 on SRNE here at open. A little bit of a squeeze. It's got good news. The stock's got good news. So hoping to get getting some action on this. We need some more volume. The volume's just not really there right now. 164,000 shares traded. We'll see if we can get some volume, get this thing going. Also, what else? We got TOPS was the one that's kind of bounced around this morning. Those shipping stocks, it's a battle. It's a battle. It's a battle. So I'm not really a big fan of those kind of stocks. Every little cent, you can see 92 cents, 95 cents. It's hard to get in there. Hard to do all that. So, yeah, I ended up getting just trespassing after the end of it all for that stuff. What else? G-Sky just going lower. So painful. This is, it's one of those things where in the morning you're like, you see a stock, you're like, I gotta get in on this. I gotta trade it. And then you end up missing out on it. And you just haunts you for the rest of the day. Especially when you ended up shorting or buying another stock that ended up you lose money on. So that's always a fun one. When you end up missing out on an opportunity and then you go and you trade another stock and end up losing money. ONCS, beautiful trade. Beautiful opportunity as well this morning, kind of bouncing around that $1.20 area would have been the entry. I was trying to get short there at $1.25. You can see down there to 70 cents now. It's got bad news as well. So it's down 54%. Imagine if you were getting short up here at the $1.85 area. Just being beautiful. Just be beautiful. Taking a look one more time here at the gappers. What stocks are gapping up? Still pretty much the same ones. You got INUV. Yesterday was kind of moving around there. VCell kind of bouncing as well. The CVON at the top, that's going to be a buyout, so don't expect much there. It's not really going to move. And SRNE kind of in the top there. ELF just doing some weird kind of stuff. I think it's kind of because of the Ulta had good earnings or whatever. So right now, those are kind of what we're watching. I'm thinking that SRNE is going to be my top kind of watch. If we can get above that $4 area, kind of just get above $4, maybe get this move. Pre-market high is $4.25. So basically, my thought process is if we can break above 4 and when this thing starts moving, get up there towards that pre-market high, breaks above that pre-market high, should get some action and be a lot of people kind of just chasing it. And then, kind of looking for that 450 area kind of as the next resistance there on SRNE. So definitely one to keep an eye on. People talking about any this morning, ANY. Not really sure. Reverse split up there, 245. What's the float on this now, I wonder? Anybody know what the float is on any? Any? I don't know. Hey, newbie here. What's up? Ortiz in the house. What's good? G-Sky was a beautiful short pre-market. No doubt about that. NIO just having trouble there. just a lot of selling pressure, it seems like. Seems like there's a lot of selling pressure just trying to sit there and squeeze it and move it around. So that's what we're going to keep an eye on. What's up? What's up, Tony? NIO. Not a big fan right now of just how that's trading in terms of the overall move. G-Sky just haunting me right now. Look at this. Down there to 1030 right now from the 1240. Originally was looking to get short there on G-Sky this morning. Just did not pull the trigger. Ended up pulling the trigger on SRNE. And ended up taking the loss. Showing you guys my losses. Showing you guys my winners. Losing $697 this morning. And the morning, it's not over yet. The day's not over just yet. I think we can get a little bit of profit. Maybe, get some profit there on that. We'll see. A little action. Taking a look here. Was thinking that this stock here, GOGO, might have some action, but just did not do it. Ended up just getting out for a break even there on that one. How about someone's asking about shorting ONCS here in the morning. I'm not really sure about shorting it now. I was actually thinking about buying the dip there at the 70-cent area, but I also was telling myself I normally don't trade stocks under $1. So, Can you translate those dollar gains and losses into percentages for us? Small percentage. Small percentage. My plan for SRNE is let's see if we can get this above $4. And then we got that pre-market high. I know that pre-market high is close. So you got, over 4. You got the pre-market high at 425. Obviously, there's going to be, some stuff going on there. Some resistance. So we'll see what happens here at open. If we can get some buyers to step in there. Why does SureTrader charge you $500 when you open an account? I'm not sure they charge you $500. That's something new to me. What do you look after the gap scanner? So I'm basically looking at the overall scanner as well through the day. Right now, you can see obviously nothing really popping up there. Just looking slow. And that's what we're watching for there. But we'll see. We'll see what happens here at open. We'll keep an eye on the scanner. See if we can get some stocks that are popping up there. If they can get moving. Like I said, I'm going to keep an eye on SRNE. Just kind of in this area over $4. See if we can get some action there. Get some action on this one. And then maybe we'll get something popping up once the market opens. Right now, just not really having that option. Not really having much going on. I got the stock here, SUM, kind of getting down there, the $12 area. Look in the daily chart here. I think there's kind of some support there at that $12 area. Previously kind of bouncing there. So we'll see if this can break. I think if it breaks below $12, it'd be a bearish sign. But not sure. Not sure that's the one to play today. A little bit big. Got a big float there. Got 110 million float on some. So not sure that's going to be the one to play today. But I'm going to keep an eye here on SRNE. It's really the only thing that's kind of at a good spot in terms of getting something going here. Somebody asked about ONDK. ONDK, what's going on here? Just gapping up there. Still only 3,000 shares traded. We'll see if we get some more volume on this at open. INUV yesterday kind of making a really a weird move overall, getting up there to $1.50, pulling back down there. pulling back down there to 80 cents yesterday. INUV down there to 80 cents and then rallying back up there to $1.50. So kind of a crazy one yesterday for sure. Definitely a crazy one in general. But not sure. It wasn't really showing much strength in terms of just the overall move once it kind of got up in here to the $1.50 area. We'll see if this can break above kind of this dollar. I think yesterday with the high there at $1.55 area. So just keep an eye. INUV kind of, I feel like it's just kind of running out of steam there, but who am I? Who am I to say that? Yesterday just really was having trouble there at that $1.50 area. So the market's about to open here. I'm going to keep an eye on SRNE, kind of pulling this one up. Give you one more check really quickly here. If you want to look at the gappers, these are the stocks that are gapping up this morning. Bang, bang, bang kind of stocks gapping up. These are definitely the ones to keep an eye on. And we'll see what happens at open if we can get some action here. Let's get some action, baby. Yesterday we had no action. Today, a little tricky action. And G-Sky going lower now. Oh my gosh, $10 now. Just getting crushed. Just getting crushed right now. We'll see it open if we can get a little bit of a bounce back. Let's see if we can get a bounce back up there. Maybe 1050 area. Look for a short opportunity there. Look for a short opportunity. Don't lie, won't you lie to me? SRNE kind of holding that 385 area. Let's see if this thing can do something here. Let's see. YECO kind of bounce around this one. Just another crazy stock. Stock market's about to open here. We got about 30 seconds until we all become millionaires. 30 seconds. Count it down, boys. 30 seconds till we all become millionaires. Just complete millionaires. We'll buy low, sell high. That's the goal, right? That's the goal. Here we go. Market open. SRNE. What's popping up? Let's see. Let's go on the scanners. Chugging vodka always. I like to put my vodka in my water bottles. That way people don't think I'm chugging vodka. All right. SRNE. Just not doing it. Not doing it there. Looking like CHFS kind of bounce around here up there to $1.35 now. See if we get a little bit of a pullback here. Look at the daily chart, kind of where the next resistance is. So we're over, looking like we're over that previous resistance there. Right there, $1.30 resistance, kind of holding it down right now. So I want to see kind of what happens here. If we get some more volume on this. Still low volume, only 300,000 shares traded. So we got to get some more volume there. Get some more action, and we'll come back to it once it can figure out which way it wants to go. And then V-Cell, look at that. Nice little move from 1420 up there to 1520. Wow. That really, that escalated quickly. That really escalated quickly, didn't it? Still, the scanner not really picking up much. We got V-Cell, we got RGLS, and CHFS. I don't even want to, oh, G-Sky. I can't look at it. Can't look at it. I can't look at this stock. Gosh. Look at it. No bounce at all there at open. Just no bounce. It's just gone. It's pain. Oh, God. It's painful. So painful right now. YECO kind of bouncing around there. What's up with the NIO? Got NIO not really doing it right there. Kind of just breaking through. There's that kind of pullback through that 720 that I was looking for earlier. But just looking really heavy. Just overall looking really heavy there. And just not doing it. You can see the way it's trading right now. It's just like every little penny is a battle. Every little penny's a battle there. So we'll give it some time. See if it can figure out where it's going to go, what it's going to do. RGLS keeps popping up on the scanner there. Kind of bouncing off that 212 area. Still not a big fan of it right now. V-cell. You can see the scanner. I'll show you guys the scanner. So not much going on there in terms of what's hot in the scanner. Looking here at G-Sky, looking for an opportunity, maybe go short if this can push back up there. Look for this. I like to see this $10 area kind of get retested, but that might just be a little bit too greedy. Might be a little too greedy for me there, and we'll see. We'll see if it can get up there. Really, still RGLS the only thing. We got SBGL halted. Not really sure why. Just says order and balance, but it's not really. It just says open delayed, so I guess it's not really halted. It's just popping up on the halted scanner for some reason. And SRNE just getting crushed down there at 352 now. Wow, so that was a dud. That was a dud. Let's see, G-Sky, are we going to get this to pop back up a little bit? Nope. Not really getting any bit of a bounce there. Just red, red, red. Look at that. Just red. Nothing but red on that thing. V-cell. I was thinking about shorting this one, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I want to be shorting into this right now. It's looking strong. What's the news on V-cell? I didn't even look at the news there. I think they got some news today, right? Yeah, so they had an earnings report this morning. Not sure I want to be shorting into that just yet. We got Yoko. 141,000 shares traded. Looking for a little bit more. MTBC. It's kind of bouncing around there. Not getting any volume. Kind of just a dud as well right now. Wow, G-Sky down there to 898 now. So this thing just done. Just getting done. Looking really kind of overextended to the downside. I'm gonna jump in long there, see if we can't get a bounce back up there above $9 here. Trying to get something going here. Here we go. Bounce back up above 9. Give me a little bit more. 9.10. Oh God. That was terrible. I got the worst fill possible. I got filled where? $8.95. Terrible. I'm supposed to be getting filled above $9. That was terrible. $60. Wow, great. Awesome. Whoopsies. There she goes. Back up above 9. That's one of the problems sometimes with hitting your hockey. I hit my hockey. I saw the bid sitting there above $9. And I was like, ooh, let me get some of that. And ended up getting filled lower. Now it's back up there, 9.15. So, there it goes. She's bouncing. This really overextended there to the downside. I was thinking we'd get a little bit of a bounce. And there she goes. Back up there, 9.14 now. It's painful. Got YECO here. Kind of bouncing around this $8 area. Let's see. YECO. I don't know. The volume's not there either. Need some more volume. CHFS kind of bouncing around that $1.30 right now. Looking like we got a couple GNE getting halted here. Is it halted? I think it's halted. Is it halted? G-Sky getting that bounce like I was looking for. There it is, back above $9. So, it was close. It was close to doing something smart there, but ended up screwing the pooch. I didn't really use a market order. I used basically using a limit order to sell into the bid. I know it's similar to a market order, but basically I was looking at level 2 and I saw that we were above $9 and I was hitting the hotkey there and got screwed. Here's GoGo. GoGo bouncing back pretty nicely there from 560 up there to 659 now. Got the pre-market high there at the 660s. I think it's a little bit higher actually, 673. So earlier having some trouble there at the 666 area. Let's see if it'll get going. NAKD up to that $2 area. Also got ONDK. ONDK popping up on the scanner as well. ONDK on the scanner, popping up there. It's got 20, it's up 24%, but the volume low so far right now. Low volume. G-Sky now up there 923, so just needed to have a little bit more patience there. Keeping an eye on the scanner for you guys. CALX up there to $9 area, 898 on the ask. Still volume kind of low there. See what this does around the $9 area. Look at the daily chart here. Got some resistance coming up there at the $9. So let's see if we can get popping over there. INUV just gone, just not doing it. Like I said earlier, just having a lot of trouble in this area, that 150, 140 area, just not really doing it for it. Not really doing it. Not really doing it for it. For it, helping it, or whatever you want to say. Got ANY doing some crazy stuff here. Getting a little bit more volume. Looking like they're trying to squeeze it. Looking like they're trying to squeeze here. Well, see if we can get a little bit of pullback here on ANY down to the $3 one more time. Well, there she goes, 340 now. Okay. Just looking for a bit of a washout here to jump in. Oh, there's kind of a washout. See if we pull back a little bit lower here. See if I can get some fill there at $3. No. Looking here, watching. Trying to get an entry here on NEY on this pullback, but it's not really having the luck right there. A little bit of a spread. I want to see that. I want to see that $3 area hold here. I want to get a little bit of a pullback down there at $3, but I don't know if we're going to get down there that low. Whew, come on. Trying to be greedy here. Trying to be greedy here. Big thanks to Terry O'Neill. Little tip there, a little $5 tipper. I like it. I like your style. Appreciate you. Oh, come on. Any, get down there. Looking for a wash. I just want that wash out here. I think we're going to break over 340 looking like. Over 340 probably. Get a nice little spike going here. Nice work, Mike. Making money. Shorten. V-sell. Also got Go-Go popping up there now, 670. So there's that pop over 340. Look like you're having just a lot of shorts kind of piling in there at 340 area. So you got to be careful now. Buying the dip here. Seems like there's a lot of just pressure at that 340 area. But I think if we can get a nice little wash out here, might be fun. Just trying to... Nope. $315 buyer sitting there on any. Trying to see if we get this. See what happens here. The 315 area holds. Oh, come on. Give me that entry. I'm not in yet. I'm not in yet. You'll see. It'll show up when I'm in there. Just waiting for the pull. I'm waiting for. I'd like to see this 315 area just get tested one more time, and see that buyer sit there. Is this going to work? I don't know. I got to ask my magic 8-ball really quickly. Okay. So now we're breaking through that 315. There's a big wash out there. 295. Not liking that. That is not a good sign. See if I can get filled there at 3 to a little bit of a bounce. It's getting filled there at 302. Uh-oh. Here we go. Needs to pop back above 3 here. Uh-oh. He's washing on me. Give it a second here. Come on. Let's get back above 3 right here. Look for that 310 area. Come on, let's go. Back above 3 here. I'm gonna jump out of it there. Just not liking, just not doing it there. All right. I think I'm going to be done for the day in terms of making trades. I'll sit here a little bit longer and talk to you guys, but I think I might just kind of call it on that one. V-Cell, 1420. Why did I buy at $3? I mean, it's always the question, why? You got INUV trying to spike back up there. Keep an eye on that $1.50 area. Still not a huge fan of it. Maybe it goes, maybe it doesn't. Not really big fan. I'm red. I'm red on the day. Taking the L there. Just trying to get that bounce. We're thinking that $3 area, looking for that bounce off that $3 on any this morning. It just didn't have it. Didn't have it there. I think I also just kind of missed out. I missed out on the bounce there. NIO down there to 675 now, so just not doing it either there. Not doing it. Down there to 675. Pulling back there, pulling back down. SRNE down there to 350 now. You got Wyco kind of bouncing around as well. It's not really, not doing it. Not doing it today. You can see the scanner here. I'll show you guys the scanner. This is everything that's popping up there. Keeping an eye on these stocks. Got BIOS spiking up there above $3. But looking like there's a big seller sitting at 314 right now. Any down there, 271. So I ended up cutting it off there. I know. The funny part is I was telling myself, I think if I re-record it, if I rewind this really quickly, if I tell myself rewinding this, and I was like, when it broke through 315, I was like, that's not a good sign. But I ended up still jumping in there. So it's funny. You tell yourself it's not a good sign, and then you're just like, ooh, buy. And then, yeah, that's what happens. CALX up there, 887. Got BOXL up there, 248 now. Looking like the next resistance kind of there at the 250 area on BOXL. See if it's going to break up there to the $3 area over that. Looking like a little resistance there, 280s as well. So we're getting some push here. We got Riot, RIOT, up there, 273 now. BOXL right there, the 250 area right now. GoGo up there above $7. So I was trying to get in on there earlier on GoGo. You see a big washout, but now up there to 715. So she's moving. See if we get a little bit of pullback here. Pull back down to the $7 area. Ugh. V-sell up to that VWAP there. Could be opportunity there. 1480 area short possibly. The high on these candles there at 1482, 1483. BOXL up to 260 now. Over that resistance there, the 230s. There she goes. All right, now we're getting some action. Keep an eye on it. Also, we got Riot doing something there. BOXL moving here. I want to see if this thing can get over that $3 here in a second. What's the float on BOXL? I think it's pretty low. Let's see if we can break over 3. And then really that next kind of resistance up there at the 350 area. So let's see what happens here. Ooh, getting some volatility there. They're not liking that $3 area. They're not liking that $3. Oh, my back. I feel like tired of myself. Don't fuck around no more. G-Sky down there, $9. Pulling back down there to 9 now. Just beautiful. Go. Bounce off at $7. Looking for that entry at the $7 area. Just was hoping for a little bit more. Like get down here, like right there. You know, like This wasn't there. It's also kind of just like slow in terms of, you know, where it's going, what it's doing. So BOXL not having the power to get up there above $3. So we'll see what happens here. I'm going to keep an eye on that $3 area. I think over $3, get a nice little spike. Probably get a quick little 30, 40 cent spike if we get over $3 here on BOXL. Also, Riot trying to go for that $3 break as well. So let's see. We'll see who gets this $3 break first. Over $3. Looking at Riot there. Oh, yeah. Are you going to vote today? I'm not going to vote today. SRNE down there at 350s. Looking like the weed stocks kind of bouncing around. Hey, Bay, getting that gain on NANY there. Nice. ANY just done now. Got this stock here, ADOM, kind of pushing up there, doing something. Not a big fan of it. G-Sky looking like it's finding some support there at the $9 area. See if that holds here. BOXL trying to get going here. See if we can get that push over 265 here. Go up there to 730 now, so it's moving. She's going. Doing something. AYTU. I don't. You can see the scanner of the stocks I'm keeping an eye on this morning. Dang, all the moving around, all that fun stuff. There it is. There's the scanner for you guys. You can see what's going on there. So any BOXL breaking down there and just not having that strength and going lower there. Got GoGo up there to 730 now. Where am I from? I'm from Florida. Florida, Miami. I'm Fort Lauderdale, Florida. What about Riot? Riot up there at 282. The volume just not really there. Got 200,000 shares traded, but just not enough volume to really get going there. Keep an eye on the scanner right now. Just not looking hot. Patrick, what made you want to create a channel with your trading? I don't know. Sometimes I wonder to myself, why did I start a channel in the first place? So that red line there is a 20 EMA, the yellow line's the 9 EMA, and the white line's the VWAP. No, honestly, I started this channel just as a kind of a way to, I don't know, document my journey, kind of keep myself in check. Because day trading it's kind of a boring thing if you're just doing it like by yourself. You don't really have much. And I was already kind of a video. I already made videos and stuff, so it was kind of just an easy transition. And then the trading stuff also just gives me a little bit of like an edge, because people. It's one thing to be just a random person on YouTube, but it's another thing to, have like a specific niche. And when I first started YouTube, it was not about the income. Trust me. When you first start out on YouTube, there's no money. There's no money. And you don't really think you're ever going to make any money. A lot of people start YouTube channels and they just stop them. And you don't really, it's not like a thing where you're like, well, I'm going to get rich on YouTube. How much do I make on YouTube? I make a decent amount of money now on YouTube. It's getting better for sure. There's some days you might make $200, $300, $400 in a day, just from the ad revenue. Just depends. Go, still going. It's just not stopping. Wow, beautiful dip buy there at open, and then just rallying up there to 750 now. Beautiful. Let's see. BOXL. I think the promo code is Patrick15. All right, here we go. Getting a little bit of action. Let's see if we can get this push up there to $3 now. Get above that previous high of day, 296 on BOXL. What do I think about shorting GoGo? It's hard to say, really. They got good news. You got to be careful. You got to be careful shorting stocks with good news like that. Just the overall trend, trending higher. I mean, clearly this trend is pretty strong right now, so I'd wait for a breakdown first before going short. We'll do the giveaway tomorrow. We'll do I'm gonna give away a month of trade ideas, $200 value, 1 month free for one of you lucky live stream watchers. So if you're watching today, make sure you tune in tomorrow as well. You know, tune in tomorrow. Yeah, we'll have all the live streams always will go live on the channel after they go up or after they're recorded. BOXL. Do I do live streams every day? I do not do live streams every day. It's hard. It's hard to get live streams every day. I got a life to live. On Friday, I'm actually going down to the Keys. We're going to be heading down there Thursday night. So Thursday night, going down to the Keys. We're going to be fishing a tournament, a sailfish tournament. Hopefully win some money fishing for some fish. Catching some fish. Should be pretty fun. Dun, 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 dun. Go there at 7:30 now, testing that trend line, testing the trend there. See if it's gonna hold. Got the next kind of EMA support area there at the 7:15 area. If you're long right now there on Go. Why do I not trade Forex? I don't trade Forex because I just really haven't spent enough time to learn about it. Really haven't spent enough time to learn about Forex. Need to spend more time there. G-Sky getting tight there at the $9 area. Think we're gonna get the breakdown. I wonder if we're gonna get the breakdown here. V-Cell back up to that 1540 area. Let's see if that's gonna turn into resistance. Kind of get that double top there. He's on the 5-minute chart. Kind of see if we get that break over that 1540, or are we gonna get the double top? Double top, top. Emerson, I'm down. Let's do it. I'll take you fishing one day. You meet me at the dock. I'll take you out. What the hell is this and where do I start to learn? You start to learn by watching the channel. Lots of videos, all that fun stuff. Is Bitcoin Cash going to the moon right now? Is that why Riot's going up? Taking a look at NEO this morning. Everybody thought NEO would be the big winner today. Look at it now. They're at 675. It's not doing it. AVEO. Gonna bounce it back there. Dude, V-Cell. I got it. I'm watching it. Why did I not buy the breakout? I don't know, honestly. It's not really, kind of not in the zone right now, and I'm kind of done. I think I'm done trading for the day after taking 2 bad trades and not doing it real right now. Riot popping back up there. 282 now. Do I think you're a distraction? I wouldn't say you're a distraction, but it's hard. It's hard to stay focused, I guess, or I don't know. I don't want to blame. I need to blame myself more than anything. Like that ANY trade was just really bad. Definitely, I think trading on the live stream definitely puts a little bit more extra pressure on me in terms of trying to to trade. There's definitely not sure. I'm not sure I would have traded ANY. Maybe I would have. I don't know. Let's go fishing today. I've got some work I got to do today, actually. I got a couple of meetings I got to go to. I'm going to the gym. I just started a new gym call out. How many hours do you work? I don't know. I don't really count. I don't really count the hours. Just kind of count every day. How much do I bench? Not much. I'm not very strong. I just stand here at a computer all day and my muscles are all gone. That's why I'm going to the gym, baby. That's why I'm getting pumped up. This software is called DashTrader Pro. RGSE. But I want to get big muscles, you know. Big muscles. I got to lift. Overall body, you know. Overall body. Look at NIO just getting crushed. Going from green to red. Just like that. Green to red. Everybody this morning was really, really excited about NIO. They really wanted NIO to go to the moon. And look at it now. It's not going to the moon. $500 a session. Damn. That's an expensive personal trainer. I think I pay like $50 right now. Yeah, Sebastian, it's probably a good idea just to walk away today. Get that work done, baby. You can see the scanner there, just not really showing much in terms of action. Scanner's not moving. Scanner isn't moving. You can see it's not a good day. How can you get a hold of me outside of YouTube? You can hit me up. It's info@plandaytradeprofit.com. Hit me up with the email. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Do you pay for software? Yes, you pay for software. You can call me at 111 make money. It's 1-800-GET-RICH-OVERNIGHT. Oh, gosh. Why'd I do this to myself today? This is not how I wanted today to go. You know when you wake up in the morning and you're like, oh, today's going to be a great day. And then you trade. You trade for the first 2 hours of the day and you're like, oh, it wasn't a good day. It was not a good day. It was not a good day. No one to blame but myself. That's the best part about day trading is really there's just nobody to blame but yourself when it comes down to it. I'm gonna sit here for another 15 minutes and just kind of take a look at what's going on, what's hot, what's not. I don't have to be at the gym till 12, so. Could you elaborate on what your strategy is? Oh, I don't really know how. It's basically just trying to just trade the trend. We're trading the trend here. And so if I was looking to buy V-sell here, and I think that V-sell is going to go higher, I want to be buying, on this little bit of a pullback at the support areas. Yes. Everybody should just blame me for, if you lose money in the stock market, just blame me. Leave comments on my video saying how I told you to buy the dip and you ended up buying the dip and you ended up blowing up your account. I appreciate all comments, good and bad, even the ones where people blame me for their losses. Got ONDK here. Oh, don't worry. I bought my personal training sessions on the dip. I bought that bulk package. Buy it in volume, you know? uh V-Cell up there to 1555 now. A lot of resistance in that area. Kind of over it. I got 4 times margin, 6 times margin, 4 times margin, 6 times margin. Depends on the broker. I kind of want to short V-Cell. I kind of want to short it. I kind of want to. But I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait here. See what happens. Do I go live every day? I do not go live every day. Oh, I agree. Everybody's pulling me in every single direction. So good thing I didn't short V-Cell there. All right. BOXL, come on. I want to see this thing break over 3. I think we break over 3. We get a nice little spike. Nice little spike here. Let's see. SRNE, what's SRNE doing? Oh, bouncing back there, a little 360. Why do I use leverage? I use leverage because you can make more risk, more money. More risk, more money. Also, more risk, more losses. Ooh. Oh. Account type. Margin account over 25,000. Oh, I can catch fish, boy. Don't you worry about that. I catch me some fish. How much did I lose today? You guys got any good questions? Ask me some questions about something good in life. About rainbows and unicorns and all that fun stuff. So everyone wants to know about how much money I've lost. No, I'm in a margin account, not a cash account. How many hot girls will I see at the gym? No hot girls at the gym, actually. I go after all the classes, like right in the middle of the day. Did I buy a t-shirt on your holidays? No, I didn't. My scanner is just dead right now. Dead. The scanner is dead. It's gone. What's my favorite fish to catch? I don't know. I think fishing in general is just fun, you know? Not really so much about the what fish you catch, more just about going out there and having a good time. NIO down there, red to green. Well, green to red there. Just not doing it. And now G-Sky back below $9. Kind of see if we get this thing kind of bouncing there. I'm tempted to jump in here. Tempted. Tempted. My finger's on the trigger. That 885 buyer sitting there on G-Sky. Getting sold into there. She's gone. G-Sky doing me dirty today. This is dirty, dirty, dirty. CCL, please. What? I don't know. What do you want me to talk about it? It's a stock. It's the price right now is $2.44. It's got 46,000 shares traded. I don't know what else you want me to tell you. Look at this chart. I don't know what you want me to do. I can't do anything here. Just because you go and ask about CCCL, what am I supposed to say? Like, what am I supposed to comment there? There's no comment. NIO, they're at 670 now. Bouncing around. If you want to buy the dip, there it is. There's literally nothing on the scanner right now. The GSKY made the bounce. Oh, now it's bouncing. My scanner's dead right now. It's dead. It's dead, 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 dead. Nothing's going on there. InBev over 461 now. Okay. CNSL. How do you make $25,000 fast? You sell your left kidney, and then you possibly sell your right kidney. And you can make probably $50,000. Did I do a course? I did not do a course. I just, I winged it. I winged it, baby. V-Cell up there to 1570. When you gonna mare? Not sure what that means. V-Cell up there to 1570 now. Bouncing around. Bouncing, bouncing, bouncing. If it breaks 1570, it's gonna shoot up. I mean, that's some pretty good advice there. there's a really good chance if 1570 breaks, it's going to spike up. So there's VSell breaking over that 1570s. When am I going to pop the question? I don't know. I keep losing money trading. Won't be able to afford a ring. Y'all crazy. How long have we known each other? I think 4 years maybe. $15.80 now on VSell. Not really sure where the top is here. Not really sure. Got this stock here, SG, popping up on the halted scanner. Not really sure what's going on there. Is it really halted? Not sure. Oh, IPO. Why'd they halt it? Weird. The blue volume is going to mean the price did not change. You see a blue candle, you see a blue bar. Means the price opened and closed at the same price. When am I getting married? I don't know. I don't know. It's like the overall market kind of bouncing back today. Got the SPY. It's up green on the day right now. VSell just slowly moving higher there. 1585 now. I'm using exponential for basically every moving average. Why don't I trade the big guys? I mean, there's a lot of stocks. There's a lot of stocks out there, but it's hard to trade every single stock. Hard to trade everything, you know? Why am I typing this wrong right now? Might get a margin call. I like it. Never really used a Bollinger Band. Go. See if this previous kind of support area turned into some resistance there, 725 area. Oh, pulling back. Looks like SG got resumed there. What in the hell? Look at this order. You got the bid at $12. You got the, is that right? Am I seeing this right? I don't understand. It's reopened. You can just get halted again? So wait, it's halted again? So confused what's going on here with SG right now. Why is it not doing anything? The bid's at 12.20. The ask is at 19. It's really confusing. It's got a $7 spread. No, it shows 10.75 as the last price for me. BOXL done. Still. NTNX, a little higher price stock. Making a move there. What do you think? VSell, we move back to the $15 area? maybe. Short up here, $15. Kind of the next goal from there. Target. Why is this thing stuck on my mouse? Oh, God. Get off of there. I'm jumping here on G-Sky, see if we can get a little bounce off this 865 area. Only 1,000 shares. Doing a little. See if we can catch a bounce here. I like to play. $869, big seller is sitting there. I'm frozen. I froze. Da-da-da-da-da. All right. Catching the bounce here. Let's see if we can get up there. 880 area. It's not getting it. Give it one more second here. Somebody's soaking it up there at 868. Come on. Oh, fuck. Hello? Hey. Fuck. Here's our phone. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, can he can there's a front desk right when you come in the front door. You can just leave it like behind that little desk and I'll grab it. Yeah, he's there right now. I'll go down and get it. All right. Thanks. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. You got a phone call right now. Beautiful. Oh. Phone call ruined it. Ruined my trade. They don't even know. It was the reason I had to take the phone call was because it was a meal delivery service and the guy's downstairs and he can't get up into my apartment, so I had to get that call because I gotta eat food. I gotta get food, man. I'm starving. Give one more second here. Let's see if we get a little bounce. Let's see if we can get one more little bounce over here. Gotta risk it sometimes. Gotta risk it to get the biscuit. Over 870, come on. It's not doing it. No, I'm gonna get out of this trade before I get the food. Come on, let's squeeze some shorts here. Just get like healthy food. It's like a meal prep. They like prep all the meals for you. They deliver every morning. Organic, baby. Protein. Protein, baby. Come on, push it up there. 880. I'm in this trade now, baby. I'm holding it. Screw it. This thing's going to catch a bounce at some point. It's going to catch a bounce. It's down 40% on the day. It's going to catch a bounce. Some point here. I'm just not sure at what point it's going to catch it. I'm in at 869. You can see my little thingy right there, a little green arrow. Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? Am I broadcasting what I'm looking at right now? Are you seeing this? People ask me questions like, what do you get in at? What's your price? How many shares? Is it too small to see? Do I need to make it bigger? Do-do-do-do. Not sure how you make them bigger or smaller. Maybe just got to make the chart bigger. Well, guy's still calling me. Hello? Yep. Yeah, there's that desk right there in the front. You see like that marble desk? Yeah, yeah. That no, there's right at the front door. There's a desk that when you walk in the front doors, you know what I'm talking about? Yeah, yeah, um, yeah. If you, yeah, all right. Fuck! God fucking damn it! Fucking food! God fucking damn it! I fucking hate. Why the fuck is this guy calling me? Fuck me. God. Why? I'm over it. I'm over it. Alright, I'm gonna close it out there. Fuck it. Uh, we tried. We tried. We tried. We tried, you know? It happens. It's all good. It's all good, my friends. And I'm going to go ahead and I'll leave up the scanner for a little bit longer. I'm going to come back. I'm going to do a recap. Just kind of talking about what the hell went down today. But, yeah, it is what it is. Take my loss and I'll walk away. I'll talk to you guys later on. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Let's go. I didn't go ape shit. I just thought it was funny. It's like humor, people. Humor, Doug. If you don't know what humor is, you can't watch the channel. And look at G-Sky. Bouncing back up there. 875 now. It's going higher. It's going to get back up there $9. Watch. It's going. It's going. Oh. I'm a pro, bro. Everyone's a pro on YouTube. Everybody's Warren Buffett on YouTube. Oh, don't be so lazy you need to pay someone to feed you. Good tip, Charlie. Good tip. All right, here. For everybody who wants to know, how do you add the candles? Right there, look, show trades, show orders, boom, boom, boom. Click on that, candle, bam. You're going to have little things there. Yeah, the reason I don't have any time to go to the grocery store to buy groceries. Look at that, G-Sky. Fuck it. Fuck it. Make time. Charlie, I'm working 7 a.m. till 11 p.m. at night, man. It's always on the grind. I don't even go to the gym by myself. I got to pay someone to make me work out. That's how much money I got. I got paying people to make me food, paying people to give me massages, paying people to make me work out, paying people to cut my hair, paying people to wash my clothes. My hotkey setup. There's a bunch of videos out there. Trust me, Charlie, I pay myself. Oh my God. You know why I love Vicesio? I can't even say his name, but I love the guy. He's a fucking troll. And he's so pissed that YouTube created a thing where people can pay $5 to support their channels if they want to. People are playing Pokemon Go on YouTube, and people are paying $5 to support those people. And they just can't give me a break, can they? They can't give me a break. God damn it. How about this? I just quit YouTube, and I just sit back and still make money, because that's all I do. Money, 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 money. Now, Joe called the trade perfectly. God, everybody's perfect today but me. Everybody's perfect but me. All right, what else? I'm just taking a look here. I like to just look at all the things that I screwed up on today, you know, like what stocks are going higher that I could have bought and all that fun stuff. Let's just keep doing it. I don't have a day job, Doug. I can tell Doug is new to the channel. I can tell he's new because he has no idea what he's talking about. I don't have a day job, Doug. I make all my money just from YouTube. Look at that, Steve the legend in the house. Yeah, I'm gonna give away some hit the bid shirts as well. I never had a job. Oh my God. Vesh. This kid. He's like really upset about this $5. He's really fucking upset about me getting $5 from YouTube, which I don't even get all the $5. I only get $3.75. Thanks, Steve. You're a legend. I like the name. Hit the bid refers. It can refer to going long as well. So let's say you're long on a stock. Stock's going higher, and you want to get out of it. You hit the bid. You hit the bid. I didn't do anything to the guy. He's just upset that YouTube offered an opportunity for people to pay $5 to support the channel. And it's just like fucking annoying. Ah, it's so fucking annoying. All right, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do a little recap. I don't know, you guys probably don't need a recap because you're here to see all the live trades, but you know, people out there who don't do the live trades, who don't jump in on it and all that fun stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and close it out there. And he's logical the whole time. He's so logical, but he keeps coming back. He just keeps coming back. Look at him. Keeps coming back. All right. It's fun. It's not even, people aren't even paying for the membership. I can't say Far's name. I'm just gonna say Far, thank you. Thanks for the support. Always supporting. Always supporting. I mean, it's kind of weird, Big Ben. That's kind of weird. It's kind of weird. A little weird. Just a little weird. But hey, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. The scanner not showing anything. I'm gonna try to be online trading as much as possible. We'll see how it goes. I think that's just a picture. No, it's live. It's happening real time right now, but the scanner's just not moving. Got OHPC halted there. Yeah, so it'll be that new high breakout. So basically every time a stock breaks out over the high. Got OPHC halted. Only got 1,000 shares traded, so I'm not going to get too excited about it just yet. So we'll see. We'll see what happens here. It's pretty funny to get halted on 1,000 shares. BOXL trying to do something here. Still waiting to see if we can break over $3. Why is CRON not? Not really sure why the scanner's not picking that up. Maybe it's the float. What's the float on CRON? That's probably the reason. Go. It's just going and going and going. It's not stopping. Give BOXL a little bit of time here. Give some patience. See if this thing can get up there towards $3. Yeah, so Cron is not showing up on my scanner because of the float. Float's too big. OPHC reopened. Didn't move. Didn't move at all. And there's that stock. I'm still so confused why this stock, what it's doing. Now the bid is at 1375. The ask is at 17. Not really sure. See if we can get short here on GoGo. They're at 761. High right now, 762. Looking for a little bit of a pullback. But on 740s. V-Cell up there to 1620 now. Just moving. Would you look at that? Would you just look at it? Would you just look at it? Would you look at it? Oh, you baby Jesus. Finally caught the bounce. Finally got the bounce there. It's just a little too late. or a little too early or something there. I don't know. So basically, for taxes, I'm basically just paying whatever my tax bracket is, whatever that percentage on income. So it's basically just like being a self-employed contractor that's just making money in the market. SYMC making a move there from 2130 up there at 2263. What's going on there? What's the news there? What's the news? What's the news? I'm going to jump in short here on GoGo, see if we can get a pullback. I love it. I want some more of it. I try so hard. I can't rise above it. Don't know what I'm doing. What's that? A country song. Maybe out there know what song that is. Is it Achy Breaky Heart? I think, maybe. But I can't rise above it. I like to see GoGo trying to roll off here and pull back down 745, 740 area. Oh, she's gone. 770 will be my stop there. All right, she's rolling. I'm definitely done now. That was fun. GoGo. Got me good. G Sky above $9. I don't know if you guys want to. I don't know if you guys want to I don't know if you want to rewind this. I don't know if you want to rewind the live stream, but there was a moment in the live stream where I talked about GSKY getting up to that VWAP. Getting up to the VWAP. Look at it. I mean, that's pretty damn close. 904. 9:04 there. Rewind it. Rewind the live stream. I called it. Yeah. That's where you bought at, right? I know. All right, well, I can promise you that I talked about GSKY getting up there to the VWAP. I didn't execute it. I blew it. Got out. Got the damn delivery guy calling me. But still, it's something. No. Go. Go into the moon. I know. I'm done. I'm putting my hands in the air like I just don't care. I'm going to go ahead and close it out there. Just walk away. Call it a day. I'll come back tomorrow. Do it all over again. Just possibly do it differently. There. So, if you guys haven't already, well, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment.